Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Wednesday. It's actually my day off. I just got in from the nail salon. I just did some natural gel nails today, nothing too fancy. I'm on my way out the door, headed to meet my friend Tomika. I found us this really cute spot on the beach to have lunch. So it's a place called Coop 303. So I'm running a little behind, so I'll see you guys at the restaurant.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
So I made it back home, and the restaurant, it was just okay. I give it a 5 out of 10. The vibes were definitely there. We did catch a vibe, but the food was not all that great. The drinks were not all that great. The service was not all that great. And I did enjoy the fried green tomatoes, which was the first dish that we had. That was really good. It had like some type of cheese on the top with like some jam. It was really delicious. I did enjoy that, so I was really excited to get the entree, but it was not all that great. My friend had fish and chips. I had the chicken and waffles, and it just wasn't, it just didn't give what it was supposed to give. Then on top of all of that, once he my friend and I both asked for a to-go box. He only brought her a to-go box. When he brought the checks out, well, it was only one check. So once he brought the check out, he took my food and he threw it in the garbage. So the food is not that pricey, but I didn't eat hardly any of it, and he tossed it. So he took that off my check. So that was that. Will I go back? Yeah, I'll probably go back, just like I said, to catch a vibe. But as far as like if you're looking to like have some really good food, maybe I need to try some different things. But I know he said that the chicken and waffles was a really popular dish, but to me, I wouldn't order it again. But I would definitely order the fried green tomatoes, and then maybe next time I'll try something different. They do have like shrimp and grits. They have like baked fish, they have salmon, things like that. So they have burgers. So maybe next time I go, I'll try something different. I would go again just to give it another try, because like I said, I do like the vibe. But that server, he was not all that great, and he threw away my food. So yeah, 5 out of 10, period. So let me tell y'all, I am super frustrated right now because I told you guys that I was working on the grass wall. I could not find the extension bars for the clothing rack that I have. So what I did was I ordered a backdrop pole. The backdrop pole is the perfect height, but the problem is I don't have enough of the green squares. So I have it outside. I didn't have enough zip ties, so I can always fix that. That's not really a problem. So it's not standing as straight as I wanted to. It's kind of like drooping a little bit on the pole. It's not like really tight like I wanted, but that's because I don't have enough zip ties. I only had 3 left, so that's an easy fix. But I'm missing like 2 squares. So because I ordered my squares from Wayfair and I don't want to order an entire pack, I need to see if I can find a way to order some individuals. I'm not too sure if I can do that. So right now it looks pretty janky, but when I sit at my table, if I wanted to stand up and take a picture or something like that in front of the green wall, I can definitely do that. But that little missing square right there is really, really working my nerves. So let me just show y'all. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is how it looks right now, and it does cover pretty much this entire wall. The last one, just like I said, fit into this space right here perfectly, but this one is a little too long, and you guys see how it's kind of like bulging out because, like I said, it's not on the rail tight enough because I don't have enough zip ties. So that's an easy fix. But let me just sit in front of it. Stand in front of it. I still have, you know, plenty of space to do what I need to do. I want to take a picture. If my friends were a little taller than me, Ryan can get in there and we'll be fine. So this is cool. I just have to get my extra zip ties and I should be fine, but I still love it. This is so cute, y'all. Today is Thursday. It's about 6:25. I'm on my way to the gym. I really don't feel like going to the gym because girly problems. So I'm not feeling all that great. But I said, you know what? I'm still gonna get up, go to the gym because it's not that bad. So I'm gonna just go ahead and knock this little workout out. I'm gonna try to at least burn about 500 calories. Hopefully I can do it because, like I said, I'm not feeling that great, but I'm still gonna go. So I'm back home from the gym. I only burned 345 calories, but I had to hurry up and come back because I have to take my son to school. But I'm gonna do a quick 15-minute full upper body workout with weights on YouTube. So I just typed in this girl. Her name is Maddie Fit or Matt Fit. So I'm gonna do this quick 15-minute upper body workout and then I'll be done. So let's go.
There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I just did my makeup and my hair. So this portion of today's video is sponsored by Curly Me Hair. So they sent over a Mongolian Kinky Curly 13x4 frontal wig in a 26-inch. And this is 250% density and I really like it, y'all. This is my first time trying kinky curly hair. I was a little nervous because I always see it on girls. It's really big. I did put some products on it, just like some curly products on it, just to, you know, bring it down a little bit because it was really thick. But the hair is beautiful. I really like it. So of course I got the unit using my favorite texture and tone hair dye, and I used the color 1B. So I just dyed the hair, conditioned the hair, and applied the hair. And I really like the way that it turned out. I didn't bleach my knots at all. I never bleach my knots because I don't like dealing with over bleached knots. It's just a headache for me. So usually put foundation on the lace underneath, and then I also put foundation on my part. But I like it, y'all. What y'all think? Tonight what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to wet it down and take some of the product out of it and see how it looks big with my makeup on. I'm gonna get close so you guys can see the texture of the hair. It's definitely giving me natural girl vibes. Like, the curls look so good. So I'm getting ready to take a picture for Instagram. I'll have all the information in the description box below on the hair, along with the discount code to save you girls some money. So don't forget to check the description box for the details on the hair. I did go to Target this morning and I picked up 3 of the glosses that you guys suggested, the butter glosses. So I picked up Butterscotch, Ginger Snap, and the Praline. So I'm gonna wipe off my lip gloss right now, and I'm gonna try this without lip liner or gloss. Y'all might not be able to really see it because I'm in my bathroom and I know the lighting is a little off. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about my hair. I really like it. I know a few of you girls sent me over some pictures and videos on Instagram when you guys got your curly hair from Curly Me Hair. So y'all was looking real cute. All right, let me see. I don't have nothing that I could use to get this open. Ow. All right, so the first one is, I think I did pick up one on my own. I think that was the Butterscotch. I just thought that one was pretty. That looks more my speed. So we're gonna see how these look. So the first one that I'm gonna try, oh, I did try the Praline before because I bought this one first. I bought this one a couple of days ago. So let me show y'all what this one look like. I know y'all like, girl, we can't see nothing. So this one here is the Praline. So that one's pretty. And y'all remember that's without gloss or lip liner. And then the next one is, did I open this one? Yeah, the next one is the Butterscotch. This is the one that this looks like a color that I will wear, so I just grabbed this one. This one wasn't recommended by any of you girls. Perfect. Oh, yes. So Butterscotch is my new fave. Oh, yeah. So this one is my new favorite, y'all. This one is really pretty. So when I line my lips and put my gloss on, I think that this one would be perfect. I really like this one. It's really cute. What y'all think? Y'all like this one? I do. I think that one's pretty. Okay. And then the next one, this one looks a little too dark. This is Ginger Snap, but a few of you girls suggested this one. So we're gonna try it. It is dark, but it's pretty. And this color, I wouldn't wear it with gloss. Y'all know I like to top my lips off with a clear gloss. I wouldn't wear gloss with this one. Let's see how I feel about this one. It's different. I'll show y'all. What y'all think? I'm gonna let Tony see it and see what he say. I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. Maybe if I mix it. Let me try to mix it. I don't know. I just, oh girl, I can't mix it. Nothing's coming up. I don't know. I'm just not used to having like dark colors like this on my lips. So. I think Butterscotch for the win. I really like this. This is like my favorite nude color. And my bottom lip is so pink, so. Yeah, that's cute. And it's even cute without gloss. I like that. I hope you guys can see it. It's so cute. Let me go in different lighting. Okay. This might be a little bit better. And y'all can see my hair better. Look at these curls. Now tell me this doesn't look like a natural curl. I love kinky hair. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check the description box for the details on this hair. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am Sharika B, and I will see you girls on the next one. Bye y'all.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm right.